In this video here, I'm going to show you how to customize your sales funnel within ClickFunnels using their page builder. Coming right up. What's up everyone, this is Simon from SimonWYHuang, and in this channel here is basically everything I know about digital marketing, online marketing, lead generation, SEO, web design, etc. Everything's on my channel, so if you are interested in any one of those, go ahead and click the subscribe button down below and notification button down below, because anytime I have new videos, I will share it with you. And if you finish watching this video and you like this video, make sure you hit the thumbs up button and share it and comment to down below as well. So needless to say, let's go right into the computer right now. Alright, so last video I talked about all the review, everything about ClickFunnels. If you haven't done so, make sure you go grab it with my affiliate link right here. I'll leave the link down below. It will not cost you guys anything, but I will get a little bit of commission, just to make up my hard work at recording these videos for you guys. So we are now in their ClickFunnels page. One of the pages that we want to edit is edit. So you just go ahead and click the edit page, go into this page builder. So briefly explain this everything to you. So obviously the left is exit, desktop view, mobile view. You can create apps, which I don't think you should touch this. Integration is underneath the setting. So underneath the setting there's a few things that you can do. There's integration. Basically this is integrating with the email service provider. If you haven't done so, you have to do that first. Right now it's default to HTML form. And select integrator, existing form, whatever. Or you can do like integration with another email service provider like ActionNet if you pay the $297 price. The next one is SEO metadata. Change the title, matching your keyword. Same thing over here, ClickFunnels, landing pages, whatever. And then image, you should have an image, because this is what you see here. And if you don't have an image, it will look really weird. So I'm very good at SEO. This is really important at this page particularly. So you do want to customize this to the specific funnel squeeze page or whatever product that you're promoting. Okay, so the next one, tracking code, is where you put underneath the footer, you can put the pixel for, say this one is view content lead pixel from Facebook. I think I talked about how to install Facebook Pixel in other video, but I can just go ahead and record another one. If you guys want that, leave a comment down below and I will do that under your request. Now custom CSS, please do not touch this. Please do not touch this. I have no idea how to do this and I don't want to touch it. If you have understanding of CSS, go ahead. I don't, so I don't do it. The background image is the background all the way in the back, so you can choose any image and then you can upload and or find new images. But in this case, in this funnel, you don't have it. Oh, you can also put YouTube video in here. So it might work, but it will load really slowly, so up to you. Typography, the font of your content and headline, text color and link color is all here. And you can see using themes as well. They basically had it done. Montserrat and Roberto is the one that they have. Very nice. You can choose another one if you want to. Lastly is the general, which is kind of useless. The next thing is the pop-up. So if you hit the show pop-up, this happens when you click on the button. You can set the button and set action, and then it says open pop-up, and then you can have the edit setting in the pop-up over here. So you can see here top margin, it's going back and forth. So that you can choose the background image. Again, trigger on exit, make sure it shows. Model width, oh, small, large, medium. Change the backdrop, which is kind of the same. Background color is the same, text color is the same. You can choose the padding, up and down, left and right. Whatever you like, you can change it over here. Advanced, corner radius, you can see this is the corner, you can make it bigger. You can make it smaller, whatever you like. Edges is top only, bottom only. You can see the edge is different, or all. Border can be full border or no border, bottom only, top and bottom, full border. That's up to you guys, honestly. Could be dashed, could be dotted, and size could be smaller, really big. Make the same extra shadow. I really don't see much different. No shadow. Okay, anyways, you can do a CSS here, but again, I said don't touch it. Means no touching. Okay, so let's break it down very clearly. In a page builder, it means that they have different sort of squares and rectangular spaces. So the outermost space, we call it the section. So in here, it could hit the setting. You'll see top margins up and down like that. And obviously, you can clear it up. Background image, you can always add another one. So basically, it's all the same. You can do this as well. So it becomes you know, like that. But I usually like full page. No stickiness. Don't do that. Change everything. So it's the same thing, you know. Everything is the same. So inside the section will be rows. This is the blue one. Okay, so the row have the same type of setting. So that's that. And within the row, then there's columns. So this is the columns. Okay, so let's recap. The row sections, the green row, and then within row there's columns, so it becomes 2. And then within the columns, then you put in the elements, which is the orange one. So this is in the image elements. There's a whole bunch of different elements right here. Headline, sub-headline, paragraph, bullet list, image, video, button, countdown clock, etc. There's a lot of stuff. You can even add custom JS or HTML over here, Facebook comment, etc. Lots of things you need to do, and then you can click on here, preview, and it will show you the preview, just like the same thing over here. And the last thing, when you exit, make sure you click on save. Only when you save, you won't lose anything over here. So this is how you can edit. Use your imagination. I honestly, if you don't know how to design, pick a template right from ClickFunnels website first. Use it. Don't change much to it except like maybe like the image and stuff, and leave the font the same, leave the size the same, so that you won't go wrong. You can always hire a designer like me, and we'll design it for you. My company will take care of that for you. If you want that, leave a comment down below. That's all I'm gonna say to you today. I think in the next video I'll talk about how you can use the Edison suite and talk about the other ClickFunnels secret that you probably know already, or probably don't know. But needless to say, I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.